Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to tell you that how you can replace the front camera of iPhone 6s Plus, and what kind of tool you guys need for that. This is actually the flex. You can see the front camera, which also contain your flex for the speaker earpiece and also your proximity sensor on it. So first tool you need is the Philip, which is this one, and the other one you need is the Starkey as a P2. I will drop the link in the description. If you guys want to buy from Amazon, you can do that. So let's start. While I'm doing this, you will also learn that how you can replace the screen. So because when I'm gonna do that, you're definitely gonna remove the screen first of all, and the other tool you need is this metal opening tool. So you can also find this on Amazon. So first you need to do is unscrew these bottom two screws. Now you need your opening tool to put it on the edges to remove the screen. You can give it some heat over there, but as I am used to do this a lot, so I can do it as it is. That's it. You just need to take it off a little bit, then you can slide this thing around the edges. Like, it's already off, so you don't need to now. And you can take it off. Make sure you take it off like this. The first thing, while you're removing the screen, unplug the battery first of all. This is the place where the battery jack is, so just unconnect this connector, unplug this connector. You can use this plunger tool if you don't have nails. When the battery is unplugged, now you can remove these 5 screws to remove the screen. Now we are going to remove the front camera flex. This is your earpiece, just put it on side for now. and now you can remove this flex. That's it. I put the new one. So first place this, because this thing has a hole fitting, so just put it on the right place like this. Now you have to put the proximity sensor. As you can see, proximity sensor is now on its place. Put the speaker back in there and put the camera in the plastic hole. So that's it. That's all you need to do to replace the front camera flex. I'm going to plug it in and turn it on to see everything is good and working. Plug the battery back, so turn it on to see everything is good. And you can see that front camera is working now. Both the cameras are working. So at this point we are all set. Now we can turn it off and put the metal plates back. And now you can pack it up. So front and back both cameras are working now. And that's it for the day. So don't forget to subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. So if you like it, just share, comment, and that's it for the day. Thank you.